Are you by yourself? How you crash your scooter, dude? Heard it all? Y'all call that a scooter? Like, what the fuck is that, bro? That look like a motherfucking smart car without the doors on it, bro. That look like a tiny ass smart car, bro. Where's the fucking doors at? That is not no motherfucking scooter, G. Ain't no motherfucking way. Y'all call them scooters, bro? That's like a go-kart, my nigga. That's some shit that she put together. Fuck is you talking about?
That AP on my hand, see Terrell the go up fan. All these pussies got no motion.
On March 31st, 2024.
Are you okay? Like, are you straight? Like, what's up with you? We like 7 seconds in, like, take a chill pill. And stop trying to act like you gangster, man. You're a fucking civilian. Stop trying to act hard, bro. I can just see through her, bro. When we 7 seconds in, this is sad. How am I able to stereotype you in 7 seconds? And like I said, don't get on me. Shit, the police officers stereotype motherfuckers all day, every day, bro. I ain't the first motherfucker. Keep it 1,000 with you. But if y'all new here, subscribe to the channel, man.
Police responded to a call about an intoxicated woman that had just crashed her electric vehicle.
Yeah, that was stupid. Are you by yourself? How you crash your scooter, dude? Heard it all? Y'all call that a scooter? Like, what the fuck is that, bro? That look like a motherfucking smart car without the doors on it, bro. That look like a tiny ass smart car, bro. Where's the fucking doors at? That is not no motherfucking scooter, G. Ain't no motherfucking way. Y'all call them scooters, bro? That's like a go-kart, my nigga. That's some shit that she put together. Fuck is you talking about? Bro, that's some shit she put together, bro. Y'all call that a motherfucking scooter.
You left it at your house?
Yup, she's a user. I know one when I see it. Don't ask me how, I just know she's a fucking user, bro. You could just see it. You don't have to really say too much. She's a fucking user, bro. That's sad.
Hey, John Bird. How was all that? This thing?
You know what I'm saying? They ask her what she do for a living. She's gonna say, I do meth and crack. I'm keeping it 1,000 with y'all, bro.
Metric. Hey, man, we rules those. Oh no, I just hit that. Found it. Shit. I'm going with her. I'm going with her.
Yeah, that's them drugs, bro. And on top of that, she intoxicated too. What the fuck do you have on, bro? Like, seriously. Why do y'all just come out the house looking like whatever, bro? Like, what the fuck? That's probably why they pulled you over, bro. Cause look what the fuck you got on. Not only did you crash your fucking scooter, but the top of shit that you wearing is fucking trash, bro. You look hideous as fuck. Keep it 1,000 with you. That's how you know you need help. Fuck is you talking about? Hello. I'm in the middle of a video right now.
27, 22.
All right.
Yes.
This is just saying that you're not injured, okay?
You seen that though, right? You seen that? You seen that though, right? Alright, so you're saying you're not injured, you only get transported by ambulance? Never. I mean, she, baby, roosters.
Like, why are you trying so hard, bro? Be your own fucking race, bro. Stop trying to act like you black, bro. Chill out. I'm tired of this fucking lady, bro. Yeah, we rules, bro. Stop with the motherfucking slang talking and shit, bro. Stop it, bro. You not that, bro. Fuck is you talking about? Be yourself, bro. Hate people like this, bro. Damn. She all have ecstasy, all types of shit, bro. She all after motherfucking pills, them fucking yerks. Her ass is eating them bitches. Fuck is you talking about? She wasn't just popping them one by one. She was crushing them motherfuckers.
Yeah, I know. You don't know.
They sold her fake ecstasy.
Yeah, Shannon the car, baby. Awesome. Yeah. Hey, Shannon, can you tell me what happened? My name is Shannon. I didn't do shit. Okay. Well, you crashed into something. I didn't crash into nothing. They wanted me.
Bro, that is not no damn scooter, bro. They call that a scooter, bro. Bro, that's some shit she built. What are you talking about?
Baby, nothing. Baby, baby.
If I could just have you, when we do, have you come down here at this intersection around the bounce turnpike, so there's nobody can turn east on General Spec. We'll shut the southbound lane down to 26 is next down there, we're at center.
Bro, I know I'm not the only motherfucker. Like, you never met a motherfucker before and you don't like him. I know I'm not the only motherfucker, bro. Like, I don't like her, folk. Like, shut the fuck up, G. Like, seriously. Like, she need to get punched in her face, bro. Like, something needs to happen. Cause this is talking too much. Like, she all discombobulated, bro. Her ass look like the Pillsbury Doughboy. Like, why is her skin so pale, bro? Do you really think you're doing something coming out the crib like that, bro? This is Mrs. Puff. Fuck you talking about? Mrs. Puff in her prime. Fuck is you talking about? Mrs. Puff before she met SpongeBob. Fuck is you talking about? Bro. I'm telling y'all, G. I hate these type of motherfuckers. Keep it 1,000 with y'all.
Arguing and then her like here just sitting in the roadway yelling, arguing with somebody, which is gonna be this person, that person. I don't know.
2024, baby.
Like how vehicle where you can do
Thank you. But I literally said one word.
right now. They called in to start. She said, "I'll be up."
I have nothing to do with that. I have nothing to do with that.
Nothing to do with what?
I had nothing to do with what's going on. She told me, she said, oh, yo, I had nothing to do with that. So I'm talking about, I already know what's going on over here.
What's going on? I just asked the question. You said you know what's going on. I
know what's going on. They don't like this food over here, and that's fine. So.
Can y'all just take her to jail, bro? Like, why do y'all do that with these type of motherfuckers, bro? Why do y'all wait so long? Just take their ass to jail, bro. Motherfucker not trying to hear what they gotta say. It's obviously that she under the influence, bro. It's clear that she not in the right state of mind. So just take her ass to jail until she sober up. But like I said, it's the motherfucking drugs too, bro. Them fake ass yerks she taking and shit, bro. Keep it 1,000 with y'all.
Well, you can't drive
You
this.
can't drive. That's fine. So you want to park in there, baby?
No, you're not driving it.
I'll park in the look right there. No, look, right?
Well, that's somebody's driveway.
Oh.
You can't park it there. And you can't drive this.
I'm down.
Just come in.
I'm down for it.
Like, she's somebody's evil stepmother. I'm keeping it 1,000 with you, bro.
If you can do it,
And you come just step out real quick. Like, get off whatever this is.
I'm gonna pull it over and get off it, but I'm not being arrested by anything.
Nobody said you were arrested.
I know the boys ain't.
Yup. I knew it. Bitch. You really think you a Barbie, bro? You ugly as fuck, bro. You like a fucking witch. Fuck is you talking about? Bad luck was invented because of you. Fuck is you talking about? You the reason for bad luck, bro. Fuck is you talking about? You're the opposite. Fuck is you talking about, bro?
I got all this shit recorded too. I got production recorded too. Yeah, I got all that recorded shit too. I got all my shit recorded too.
Okay, so.
Yeah, come on, let's go here, baby.
What's your name?
I'm Shannon Nicole.
So
Shannon Nicole.
Her ass like a fish, bro. A flounder fish.
I just
Fuck is you talking about?
Step out of whatever this is. No, this isn't being moved.
They got me. They got me.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me make sure he's okay with that.
Yup. She's a prostitute. Keep it 1,000 with y'all. Don't ask me how I know. I just know.
Is that where that rental is? Because I'm looking for rental. That's
Oh, it's a fucking rental? Oh my god. It's chill, it's time though.
I was asking you time out.
My son had a headache.
Okay,
so my son headache. Yeah, in Janie Gardens. Yeah, the headache. That's gonna be
Southbound.
what you gonna do? Yeah, if you don't mind.
Bro, that's Humpty Dumpty mom. I'm keeping it 1,000 with y'all, bro. Like, no funny shit. That's Humpty Dumpty mom, bro.
What you gonna do?
Yeah, what kind of confrontation?
What you gonna do about that? Yeah, and what, you gave your son
Shannon.
Shannon.
Hey, Shannon, we're going to try to move this over to
You
the
do
side.
whatever you gotta do with this side. You know, fuck about it. I got a lawyer. Hey, listen, Derek Bird, you know Derek Bird? Hey, you know Derek Bird? Hey, you know Derek Bird? Derek Bird is my.
Hey, shut the fuck up. You the reason why it's toxins. Fuck is you talking about, bro? You the reason why it's pollution out there, bro. You're a waste in the ecosystem, bro. We need to get rid of you. Fuck is you talking about?
Derek Bird is my. Yeah, that's how I beat your. That's why I saw I beat your asshole on the real streets. Nigga, I do your ass in, ho. On God. Derek Bird is my uncle, bro. You gonna do your ass in. On God.
You keep shouting out this and that, woo woo woo. Like I said, bro, stop with all that motherfucking gangster talking shit, bro. That's not true. Fuck is you talking about? You grew up in the trailer park with your motherfucking grandparents and your mom. Fuck is you talking about? Stop it, bro. That's not true. And when you drunk, you get to expressing how you feel for real. And that's how she feeling, bro. She feeling like she one of them, bro. She's not one of those, bro. I'm telling y'all. You get to saying some real shit when you drunk, and what she's saying is real, bro. That's how she actually feels. Bro, that's not true. Fuck is you talking about? You never won a fight in your life before.
Derek Bird. You know Derek Bird? Oh, do you know Derek Bird? You know Derek Bird? Yeah. Hey, listen. But you got that shit on my phone though.
Man, fuck that.
Thanks here. Do you have anything that's gonna stick me?
So, in her terms, the reason why she keeps saying dead birds, but in her terms is on the dead homies, on the dead homies. That's what she keeps saying, but instead she keeps saying on the dead birds, on the dead birds. That's why she keeps saying that shit. Like, bro, you don't have any dead homies, bro. Stop it. You don't have anybody that died, bro. What the fuck is you talking about? You don't have any dead homies, bro. You don't know how it feels to lose somebody, bro. So stop it. What are you talking about?
What the fuck you think, ho? That's all. Find it.
She up here playing games and shit. Like, you too old for this shit, bro.
I'm not a fan of you. No one said you. I'm not a fan. I'm not a bad girl, bro. No, we're not saying you.
Nah, this bitch wanna cry and do all that weird shit, bro. Like, what's up with you, bro? Like, for real.
Why you being mean to me?
No one's being mean to you.
What the fuck you?
You're being mean to us.
Y'all see what I'm saying? She intoxicated, bro.
Yeah, look at me.
I would never do you dirty, bro. I believe you.
Jenna, look at me.
I would never do you dirty. I'm not a bad girl.
No one said you were, Shannon.
I promise. I don't look at me. Look at me.
Hey, shut up, bro. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Damn, bitch. You stink. You don't stink. You stink. Fuck you talking about?
Lift this leg up.
Man, y'all need to put a bag over this bitch head. Make her shut up, bro.
Just help me, okay? That's it. There we go.
Sit up.
A knockoff version Betty Boo. Fuck is you talking about?
Alright, Shannon. I'm gonna pull it. Shannon! Shannon! Hey, Shannon, can you listen to me? Shannon!
What the fuck? This bitch sound like a horse. What's wrong with you? This bitch is a horse, bro. What the fuck is wrong with you? The bitch sound like a horse, bro. I'm not lying. Like, huh? That's why I said, bro. It's the yerks. It's the ecstasy. It's all of the above, bro. Leave that shit alone. Keep it 1,000 with y'all. Get some help. Dead ass.
Hey, Shannon, I just want to let you know what you're being arrested for. Hey, Shannon. Can I talk to you for a second? Shannon, I'm just letting you know you're being arrested for disorderly intoxication, okay? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I can't love me.
Shut your ass to jail.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
This bitch need to shut up. Put a bag over her head or something, bro.
Where's the key to that?
Shannon was charged with possession of a controlled substance without a
She
prescription,
looks
as
horrible,
well as
bro.
disorderly intoxication.
No disrespect, like, I'm not trying to be rude, but I feel sorry for her, bro. Like, because she was born a meth baby, bro. Like, they found that shit in her system when she was a baby, bro. And that shit's sad. I'm keeping it 1,000 with y'all. That's why y'all don't be needing to do that shit, bro. Chill out. Keep it 1,000 with y'all. Until next time, y'all subscribe to the second channel. It's called Yo Terrell Reacting again. Fire ass content being produced over there. Y'all won't be disappointed, man. I love y'all, and I'm seeing you on the next one, man. I'm out. Second channel for life. Believe that, my nigga. It's a marathon. I'm out.
AV shit, nigga. I take my blick into space. Niggas get put in a vase. Don't give a fuck about the case.